$31,000 in an hour and a half. Let's fucking go. We could just get this one done for you.
Okay, send it over.
Okay, 140, it's yours.
Awesome.
I saw some of you doubters in the fucking comments, you pieces of shit. Welcome to Dispo Live, the UFC of Dispo sales.
Hey, JT.
What's up, JT? I'm gonna try to make you another 4 grand today, maybe another 10. We'll see. Let's look through the photos. Is there any? Do you know like age of systems? So what do you have as the repair budget on this? 40K. Okay, and you added some as-is comps. So you think the ARV here is around 230? Puts us at 190, 74% ARV. I'm gonna see if we can push up to like 80% ARV. On Falcon above, you can click this deals nearby button, and what happens is the system will go into all the other accounts that have sold deals nearby. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 deals sold nearby. It's going to bring in all the lead lists. Now, if I deselect my deal, that will remove my lead list. So this is all the leads that have been generated on all these deals sold nearby. So pro tip, if you want to go really fast on your deals, you just filter down to these two actions, offer manual and new offer created. And then you're going to see all the guys that have made offers in this area. Okay, so this guy's looked at 2 deals in there. So we got a verified phone number. Blue check mark means it's a verified phone number. So this is 100% his cell phone number, 2-factor authenticated.
Hello.
Hey, Ken, this is Robert Wensley from Investorlift calling. I just saw that you expressed some interest in a property that we're looking to move today in El Paso, Texas. I am looking to move it before I get out of the office today in about an hour and a half.
Trying to move it now, huh?
It's going to move here in the next couple of hours. So how quickly will you be able to make a decision on it?
I got a lot to do, man. I'm a businessman.
Okay, well, if I don't move it today, feel free to give me a ring tomorrow. I did get a ton of inquiries on this one, so I do expect you in the next couple of hours. But if we don't catch you on this one, we can always catch you on the next one.
For sure. Yeah, just send me some stuff.
Awesome. Sounds good. Great connecting, Ken.
Hey, Robert. This is Gabriel. I have a couple missed calls from you.
Yeah. Hey, Gabriel. The reason I was reaching out, I saw you had some interest in a deal that we're looking to move in El Paso, Texas. It's got some really deep equity, 230,000 ARV, super light rehab, easy in and out in a couple weeks. And we're looking to move it today for 139.
Yeah, I was already looking at it. I'm waiting for somebody to get back to me.
Yeah, I am looking to make a decision on a buyer here in the next couple of hours. How quickly would you be able to make a decision on this? Is there any information you need?
To get back to me, I'm gonna have to jump up the price now since you guys bumped up the price.
Got you. Okay, so you wouldn't be an end buyer. You're looking to bring in an end buyer.
I'm their deal finder.
It might go higher, but if you get me 140 for this in the next like 30 minutes, then we could do a deal. As long as like that end buyer is like legit, like proof of funds, 10K MD, all that.
For sure. Yeah, we're good on all that. That's just the numbers are gonna get tight now. But yeah, if I could do something, I'll get back to you here shortly.
All right. Thanks, Gabriel. All right. Beautiful. I will work with JVR. See, that's why, like, I'm not gonna hang out on JVR's because like if I get 140, I get Y40, I'm happy. But I want proof of funds from that guy before I send him the contract, number one. And number two, I want non-refundable earnest money deposit within 24 hours to sign the contract.
Hello.
Hey, Raul, this is Robert Wensley from Investorlift calling. The reason I'm reaching out is I see you're an active investor in El Paso. I got a pretty deep deal. I'm looking to move off market. ARV is 230. I'm looking to move it for 139 today. Super light rehab. You could probably be in and out in a couple of weeks. It's a 3.3, 2,200 square feet. Address is 90.
Is there any room of negotiation? I also don't want to waste your time.
Yeah.
I don't want to drive all the way over there.
Yeah. I already do have interest at that price point. So I anticipate if anything it's going to for sure go at that price point. If anything, it might go up to the buy it now of 145.
Yeah, I don't understand how, or the thing is.
Love it. Okay. Well, yeah, go drive by it. You got the address. I am looking to make a decision on who to go with here in the next hour though. So if you can be somewhere in that 140, 145, would love to not just do this deal, but hopefully do a bunch more with you. Appreciate it, brother.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Boom, we got him driving by. So, a lot of people would have jumped out that call really early, but a lot of times when I spend a little bit more time building rapport with the buyer, building a little bit of a relationship, those are the ones that actually turn into the best offers. People do business with people that they like and trust, right? So like this guy's a big talker, but like big talkers tend to offer a lot of money. The real professionals, you gotta go straight to the point. ARV, bedrooms, baths, here's how much you want. How quickly can you let me know? And I'll let you know in the next hour. Click. and then they'll come back with their offer, but they're going to be coming in at 70% ARV. We're looking to move this above 70% ARV. Going deeper on some of these conversations with the smaller buyers, this guy's only got a 1,000 buyer score. Those will give you like, you know, that's where you're going to get the 82% ARV offers. Well, hey, Daniel, this is Robert Wensley from Investorlift calling. Reason I'm reaching out, I have an off-market property with some deep equity I'm looking to move today.
Where's it located?
90.
How much are you selling it for?
139. Super light rehab. Probably needs 25, 30K of work.
Do you have any pictures of the property?
Yeah, I can have my disposition manager text it to you right now.
Let me go ahead and check it out. Let me go ahead and run my numbers, and then I can get back with you.
Okay. I am looking to make a decision on this one probably in the next 30 to 45 minutes before I get out of the office. Would you be able to give me a ring right back after you have a chance to take a look at it?
Yeah, sure. You go ahead and send it, and I'll let you know right away. Not a problem.
All right, Daniel, thanks so much. You could just tell by the tonality this guy's a real buyer. We'll give him 15 minutes and we'll circle back with him.
Hello.
Hey, Letitia, this is Robert Wensley from Investorlift. I saw you just submit an address request on our deal in El Paso.
Oh, yes. I tried to reach out to you, but there was a system error. It wouldn't allow me to.
Oh, dear. I'm sorry. I've been on the phone all day, so maybe, I don't know, maybe something weird is going on with the phone system today. Tell me, Letitia, have you done some deals in this area before?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. We flip homes in this area all the time.
We are looking to sell this one pretty quick with a close in, I think it's in about 10 days.
Okay, that
Would
works.
you could get a hard money loan within 10 days?
Yes. Since it's a company that I always work with, they move pretty quick.
Tell me what you like about this deal. Is this a deal that you're ready to move forwards on, or where are you at with it?
Yeah, we're ready to move forward with. I ran some comps.
Okay, amazing. So we did initially push it out at, I think 135, but we got like so much interest on it that we're anticipating it's going to move between 140 and 145. My disposition manager has been kicking me in the ass all day to sell at 145, but I want to be out of the office and go visit my wife here in the next 30 minutes. If you guys are prepared to move forwards at 140, I could send over the assignment agreement right now, and we could just get this one done for you.
Okay, send it over.
Okay, 140 is yours.
Awesome.
Okay, beautiful. And then we typically do a 10K earnest money deposit to be deposited within 24 hours. Will that work for you?
10K? No, that won't work.
10K?
I usually the max I do is 2,000.
It's 2,000. That's a little low.
Yeah.
What we could do is we could give you a 24-hour inspection period to go into the property before submitting your AMD. Would that work for you?
Say that again. I'm sorry.
We could give you a 24-hour inspection period to go and view the property. Actually, I think we could do JT 48 hours. You want on this one? Yeah, 48 hours, and then you could go walk it before depositing your AMD. Okay. All right. I'll pass on your information to my disposition manager here, JT. He's going to get the contract fired over. We'll put the 48 hours, 24 or 48 hours on there. And yeah, super excited to do this deal with you. And hopefully we'll do a lot more deals together in the future.
Hopefully. Okay, send it.
Awesome. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon. Boom, baby.
Let's freaking go.
84 minutes.
Wow.
5K above the original price. Did
That's
it again.
crazy.
I'm now at 8 out of 11 live in under 2 hours at or above ask. All right. We told we're going to sign a deal live today. I saw some of you doubters in the fucking comments, you pieces of shit. I'm just kidding. I love y'all. But I saw your doubters. It's a fucking numbers game. All you got to do is you just got to keep on dialing. You get through the tire kickers and eventually you find the right one. JT, how much are you making on this deal at 140?
That is 31.
$31,000 in an hour and a half. Let's fucking go.
Let's go.
JT, when I called you yesterday and I told you I was going to sell it for more than you had it listed for, did you believe me?
Low key, no, but it was Robert Wensley. So I was like, fuck, if anyone's going to do it, it's him.
Last but not least, our exclusive giveaway at the end. We're going to pick the winner on the spot this time. For the guys who are new to Investorlift, we're going to give you guys free 30 days on the Investorlift. If an existing client gets picked, we're going to do a 30-day free upgrade to the next level up. Fire emoji in the chat right now.
Somebody's about to win a lot of money.
All right, I'm going to take the countdown for 30 seconds, and then we'll put it into our trusty chat GPT, and we'll pick a random.
Oh yeah, is that how
person.
you do it? You have ChatGPT pick it? I love that.
10 seconds.
The final countdown. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Three,
All right, copy and
one.
paste. Jesse Marquez, congratulations.
You win the exclusive price for 30-day free trial.
Congrats, Jesse.
Come back again next week. We're going to have one every week on the same time. It's going to be at the dispoday.com. So make sure you guys go book for the next week's live event.
Guys, if you're not invested, do that. I'll share a quick number for you. So far this year, we're clocking an average assignment fee of over 28,000. 28.7 was the last time I checked. So if you're sitting there on this call and you got $13,000, $14,000, $15,000 assignment fees, literally you are robbing yourself. You're putting your buyer's kids through college instead of putting your kids through college. Look what we just did. We just made JT $31,000 in under an hour and a half. JT, how does that feel making $31,000 at 22 years old?
Feels pretty awesome. You ask me.
So guys, that just shows what's possible. I imagine if you did that all day, you could rip 2-3 deals in a day, right? As long as if you got a good acquisitions department that's just feeding you deals, if you can sell a deal every couple of hours, you can be pumping 100K a day, easy. Next week, same place, same time. We'll see you there. Let's go cash some checks and make some money.